Hello guys, welcome back. Question 4 is taken from SSC June 2013, and the question states that given that the logarithm 2 base 10 is equal to 0.3010 and the logarithm 3 base 10 is equal to 0.4771, we should evaluate correct to two significant figures without using tables or calculator. The logarithm 1.125 base 10. Okay, we've done this before. This question look similar to the one we did from 1996. So you can see how WAEC twists their question over years. So from 1996, you can see 2013 is quite the same, and all they did was just to change figures. Let's do this together. So we are asked to evaluate or find the value of the logarithm function of 1.125 base 10, and all we need to do is to convert our decimal first into fraction. So this is going to give us 1.125 to fraction. As usual, you shift your decimal to make it a whole number to the last number, and we shifted it 3 times, so we'll divide it by 1000 since one shift is 10. So this will be 1125 over 1000. Okay, so I can directly substitute my decimal for fraction here. So this is going to give me log 1125 over 1000 base 10. And if you look at this is what a division rule. So I can also simplify further and express it as log 1125 base 10 minus log 1000 base 10. Okay, remember, or you can do the arithmetic yourself, that 1125 can still be simplified as 125 multiplied by 9. So this will further give us log 125 multiplied by 9 base 10 minus log 1000 base 10. What I did was to substitute my value for this. Okay, all right. So the next step is to break it down further. Since we know this is a product rule, we'll expand it into an addition form of log 125 base 10 plus log 9 base 10 minus log 1000 base 10. And I can also break my 125 further by factorizing, and if you factorize this by 5, you have 25. 5 will go into 25, 5 and 5 is 1, so 5 in 3 places will give us 125, and therefore 5 raised to the power of 3 is what? 125 in indices form. And let's do same for 9. So 3 into 9 is 3 and 1, so 3 in 3 places will give us 9, so we can say 3 raised to the power 2 is what? 9 in indices form. So before I start substituting, let me break 1000 down. So 1000 to 10, 10, 100, 10, 10, 10, 1. So you can multiply 10 in 3 places. And let me write it down here. 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. It's giving me 10 raised to the power of 3. So I will substitute my value for 1000 as 10 raised to the power of 3. I'll substitute my value for 125 as 5 raised to the power 3. And I'll also substitute my value for 9 as 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, so let's continue. This will be log 5 raised to the power of 3 base 10 plus log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 10, and this will be minus log 10 raised to the power of 3 base 10. Okay, so the next step is to check out for what's law. is binding this function. And if you look at it very carefully, our power law is the next law binding it. And if you discover, we have indexes on our numbers throughout. So what you do is to drop down all your numbers, all your indexes, to multiply your logarithm function.